Hello everybody. In this video tutorial I am going to talk about stretch and rotate command. So to explain this command, let's draw something. Switch on ortho mode. Okay. Let's draw something. Okay. So this is the object we have drawn, and after drawing, just I'm thinking that this portion is shorter, so I want to make it longer in this direction. So just select this one. Now this is the stretch command, so click on stretch command. Now click at this point and just pull. Okay, so if you want to make it longer again, bigger again, just again select. Now click on stretch and just click here and just stretch. And if you think that this portion is bigger, I want to make it shorter, so again you can select this one, click on stretch and just select any point and just push it. So this is a stretch command. Now if you think that it is straight, I want to rotate this one, so select this one. So this is the rotate command, so select this one, and as it says that specify base point, so select any point. So I am selecting this point. Now you can rotate, switch off ortho mode. So now you can rotate according to your wish. So if you can in this position, you can put in this position. Also you can put in this any position you can put. Just I am putting in this direction position. But now if you want to rotate again, just select the object, click on rotate and select any point. Now rotate. Again you can rotate from any point. Just fix in one position, and I hope you learned how to stretch and rotate command. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.